Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. I want to show you how to do the central double decrease, often abbreviated as a CCD. If you want to knit along with me, just pause this video and follow these instructions here. Okay, I'm going to knit the first 6 stitches, and I'm going to do a central double decrease. So the double decrease indicates that you're going to be using 3 stitches instead of just 2. We're going to be decreasing 2 stitches. We want it centered. When you decrease stitches in knitting, they lean this way or this way. And the central one, it does this, and it makes a point. It doesn't lean to the right or to the left. The central double decrease is going to use the next 3 stitches, like I said. So stitches 1 and stitches 2, we're going to slip together knitwise as if they are 1 stitch. Knit the next stitch, pass the slipped stitches over, both of them. Go ahead and finish the row. Purl back the other row. I use central double decreases a lot in my lace pieces. On the purl back row, you don't have to do anything special. You just treat it as a normal stitch and purl it. Of course, in the lace pieces, most of the time it is balanced with increases. And that's what it looks like. So it's this one right here, and you can see that this center stitch is the one that's in the front, and then behind it is a right and left leaning stitch. But they're not the ones that are taking center stage. That center stitch is, and it's standing pretty much straight up. I'll show it to you one more time. Alright, the next 3 stitches, the first 2 stitches slipped knitwise together as if they are 1 stitch. Knit the next stitch, pass the slip stitches over, and continue on. And that is the central double decrease. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Happy making!